Fresh coffee cherries arrive daily for large-scale industrial processing inside modern factories.
Automated washing systems carefully clean every coffee cherry before further processing begins. Artificial intelligence selects only premium coffee cherries with remarkable accuracy in every harvest. Automated pulping machines separate fresh coffee beans from surrounding fruit efficiently daily. Controlled fermentation improves coffee quality before the washing stage begins successfully today. Fresh coffee beans receive thorough washing before entering advanced industrial drying systems.
Industrial drying removes moisture evenly to preserve premium coffee bean quality perfectly.
Quality inspectors verify ideal moisture levels before coffee storage begins every batch.
Massive storage silos safely protect premium coffee beans before roasting begins daily.
The premium coffee beans advance toward giant roasting machines for flavor development next.
Industrial roasting transforms green coffee beans into aromatic premium roasted coffee perfectly.
Powerful cooling systems preserve roasted coffee flavor before quality inspection begins immediately. Artificial intelligence removes imperfect beans, ensuring consistent premium coffee quality every batch.
Precision grinding creates perfectly uniform coffee grounds for premium brewing quality every time.
Advanced sieving guarantees uniform coffee particle size for excellent brewing performance always.
And automated filling systems prepare accurate coffee portions before packaging begins efficiently today. High-speed machines fill premium coffee bags with exceptional precision and consistency daily. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness while protecting premium coffee aroma for consumers worldwide. Automated labeling ensures every coffee package meets premium branding standards consistently always. Robotic systems efficiently prepare coffee shipments for worldwide distribution every single day. Automated warehouses safely organize premium coffee shipments using intelligent robotic storage systems. Robotic wrapping securely protects coffee pallets before transportation begins across worldwide markets. Modern loading systems prepare premium coffee shipments efficiently for nationwide transportation daily. Coffee delivery fleets begin worldwide distribution from advanced manufacturing facilities every morning. International export terminals connect premium coffee products with worldwide consumer markets efficiently. Fresh premium coffee reaches specialty cafes ready for expert barista preparation every. Expert baristas transform premium coffee into rich aromatic beverages with precision daily.
Every perfect coffee cup begins with carefully processed premium coffee beans inside. Coffee production continues tirelessly, serving millions of passionate coffee lovers worldwide daily.
From farms to factories, premium coffee reaches consumers through remarkable engineering excellence. Automated warehouses organize premium coffee products before nationwide retail distribution begins smoothly. Fresh coffee shipments arrive efficiently at supermarkets, ready for customer purchases daily. Beautiful supermarket displays showcase premium coffee selections, attracting customers every single day.
Customers confidently choose premium coffee produced through advanced modern manufacturing technology today. And
laboratory experts ensure every coffee batch satisfies strict international quality standards consistently. Sustainable manufacturing protects nature while producing premium coffee for global consumers responsibly.
Coffee production continues 24 hours, using powerful automated industrial manufacturing systems daily.
Global logistics systems coordinate coffee deliveries across continents with remarkable efficiency daily. Every sunrise begins another extraordinary journey of premium coffee manufacturing excellence worldwide. Premium coffee represents innovation, precision, quality, and worldwide manufacturing excellence together beautifully. Precision machines fill coffee capsules with consistent quality for modern brewing systems. Vacuum packaging preserves freshness and protects premium coffee aroma during transportation worldwide. Robotic palletizers prepare thousands of coffee cartons for efficient global shipping daily. Air cargo delivers premium coffee rapidly across international markets with remarkable efficiency. Ocean freight connects premium coffee factories with consumers around the world efficiently. Premium coffee creates unforgettable cafe experiences through expert preparation and outstanding quality. Beautiful latte art completes every premium coffee experience with professional craftsmanship perfectly. Every coffee product reflects precision, innovation, craftsmanship, and exceptional manufacturing quality worldwide.
Massive coffee factories demonstrate extraordinary engineering, powering global beverage production every day.
From cherry to cup, coffee showcases innovation, dedication, and industrial excellence worldwide.